Walking on this town, on the silent streets and all around, its crescents growing larger every time I close my eyes. The burning lamp lights on Main Street on this deserted Tuesday night are calling for a sign of life to consume their fire. As the girl sits alone on a bench, she's waiting for a ride or a moment of clarity. Or perhaps she is not waiting for anything at all, and she's content to watch the street lights and the moon on the concrete. She's been there for as long as I have seen it, maybe longer. Maybe she has always been there as a living statue. She commemorates a saint who had fallen some years past and has drifted from the spotlight and is nothing more than a shadow of a shadow. And her face, it is carved with a purpose, and nobody knows her destiny, not even this girl who sits all alone on the bench under the moon and the streetlights, and she stares at something in the distance, motionless. Even the winds are asleep at this hour, and the clouds are laying low on the horizon upon pillows of more clouds. And the soft orange glow of the sleeping sky casts down on the sleeping earth. And she will rise when the morning sun consumes the fog, and a soft orange glow becomes the fallen saint, hidden by the shadow of a shadow, burned by the spotlight, invisible. Gone. Spaghetti stains and flat champagne, this evening is behind us. I lay my head on the same old bed, and I dream of the same old dreams. One life behind, one more to go. The autumn leaves, the winter snow, it sure don't plow itself, you know. So grab a shovel, 'cause it's time to go. Every morning's just the morning after. Every day we're fleeing from disaster. Every night is passing even faster, leaving way for the morning after. It's time that holds us on this earth. Without it we'd be floating in the universe, and we'd be nothing but a timeless pile of atoms in a vacuum. There's nowhere to move if we could. So toss a log on the fire, and let me tell you about my one desire. When this fire has burned away, I wanna light it up again someday. Every morning's just the morning after. Every day we're fleeing from disaster. Every night is passing even faster.